Hello. This is Kostas, and I would like to show how uh, easily you can take advantage of um, this interesting plugin that it's even the free version of this plugin, um, and it's called Updraft Plus Backup and Restore. Okay, so when your website is clean and there is no infection and there is nothing wrong with it, it's very important to have a healthy backup. Okay, so uh, it is very easy to navigate using this plugin and go to settings and set a weekly backup or even a monthly backup. Okay, you can even set a fortnightly, but a weekly backup is okay, but even a monthly backup it's perfect. It depends on how many times uh, you uh, you update your website and if it's dynamic or mostly static. Okay, mostly promoting a company business, and you don't change so often the information that is promoted through your website. It's a good idea to set here a weekly backup, let's say, or a monthly backup. You can even set to create and keep just two or one backup or even three backups. Okay, it's very important to be careful for how many backups you're gonna keep to your website, because it can it can be stressful for uh, the um, the storage of your web hosting. Usually two backups it's normal. Okay, you don't need to use more than two backups regularly. You can even set it to send the backup somewhere else, but what I'm just showing here, it's the simplest way to have a healthy backup and be ready to act in case of crisis. Okay, and when I say crisis, I mean when something goes wrong with this website, you see that something is not working normally, and it seems like your website is compromised. So when you set to have, let's say, one weekly backup or one monthly backup, you're gonna just have to click backup now. When you click backup now, you have the option to include your database and your files. That's enough to have a healthy backup. You just click backup now, you just wait, and you're gonna have very soon a healthy backup. Usually that takes a couple of minutes, but it might take a little bit longer in your case. So when you got a healthy backup, anytime you see that something is wrong, the first thing you want to do, it's gonna be to select this backup and just click restore. Okay, when you click restore, you're gonna have all your website restored to this particular backup. Okay, that's very important to ensure that you need to restore your website first of all, because sometimes we might uh, be scared that something is terribly wrong with our website, but Usually it might be just a small tweak or a faulty plugin or a light update that happened to our website and causes a lot of issues. But when we realize that there is a deep infection or something is terribly wrong, it's a good idea to restore our backup. That's the simplest way that you can back up and restore your website. Of course, it would be a great idea just before you restore this, you use this restoration procedure to keep one more backup and download it to your computer and just to be sure that if something goes wrong to be able to recover the whole website easily, because you can easily download from here the database, you can download the plugins, the themes, the uploads and others. When you click to each of those buttons, you're gonna just get a link to download those important uh, files and information. Okay, uh, so the idea is that you have a ready healthy backup and you can use this amazing tool Updraft Plus because it's one of the most reliable ways to restore your backup to your website. So you can easily use it and restore your website fast and safe. In any case, you can create as many backups you want, and you can even when you want to update your website for any reason, you can easily get and it's a good idea to create a backup and then move on with a big update to your WordPress site. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and just remember that this is one of your weapons to be able to restore and save your data. In any case, down to the link, you're gonna find my link to Fever and where I can easily step in and provide my service and help you to any kind of problem that comes up with your website. Thank you very much for watching again this video. Let me know your ideas. You can just ask me anything to the comments and I will answer the same day. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button and why not subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of interesting and amazing videos and useful information and tools that you're gonna love them. Thank you very much and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.